So I will request Professor R.K. Dhiman, Director SGPGIMS, to welcome the guest.
Thank you, Dr. Gaul Bole. And formally, I want to thank you. You are the chairperson of the UP and USI coalition for dissemination meet on the impact evaluation of the double fortified salt, DFS. Dr. Jai Pratap Singh, who's the health minister of the government of the UP, is supposed to be here. But anyway, we continue. And I also take this opportunity to say good morning to our American and the Canadian scientists who are joining us in spite of the great inconvenience because of the time zone difference. I believe it is very early, or maybe it is 5:30 early in the morning. My special welcome to Dr. Lynette Newfield. She has yet to join. I have not seen her, who is the knowledge head, and Dr. Madhu Mobe. I can see him here, senior manager, and Dr. Suresh Lakshmi Narayan from Global Alliance, from Improved Nutrition and Nutritional International, for agreeing to be the keynote speakers. My hearty welcome and good evening to all my Indian dignitaries, colleagues, including Mrs. Radha Chauhan, IAS, Principal Secretary, Women and Child Health, Shri Alok Kumar, IAS, Principal Secretary, Health, Government of the UP, and Mrs. Inoshi Sharma, Director, FSSAI, and Dr. Alok Ranjan, Program Head, Gates Foundation. My special word of welcome to Doyen of the Public Health and Iodine Deficiency in India, Dr. Rajan Shankar, Executive Director of the Tata Trust, Professor Chandrakant Pandav, former Head Community Medicine, AIIMS, a member, National Council of India, Nutritional Challenges, Poshan Abhiyan. Professor Umesh Kapil, former Head Human Nutrition, AIMS, and Dr. Kapil Yadav, Additional Professor, AIMS, and Shri Ansari Ji, former Salt Commissioner, Government of India. Sanjay Gandhi Postgraduate Institute of Medical Sciences have been in forefront of not only planning and executing its own outreach programs in the field of the diabetes, fluorosis, H. pylori, iodine deficiency, as well as the hepatitis in the state of Uttar Pradesh, but also assisting the state in various programs of the public health importance. Iron deficiency anemia in women and children is quite prevalent in the state of UP, and impressed with the success of the iodized salt to minimize the problem of the iodine deficiency. Daughter's efforts are on the last 2 decades to provide for a unified solution to problems of both iron and iodine deficiencies. And this is achieved by incorporating both iodine and the salt and the iron in edible salt, what you call as the double fortified salt, DFS, in order to provide a unified solution to the problem of the iron and the iodine deficiency. Several studies have been conducted and shown efficacy of the DFS in reduction of the anemia related parameters under case control design studies. In 2016, government of UP, on initiative of the Tata Trust, agreed to distribute DFS through public distribution system shops in India. The impact evaluation was carried out in 2019, and I am told that dissemination meet on the impact of DFS in anemia in women is planned for today. It is being conducted now. Sanjay Gandhi Postgraduate Institute of Medical Sciences is very happy to host this webinar. We are very happy to host this webinar on public health problem of anemia and its possible mitigation through DFS distribution. With this in view, it gives me a great pleasure to welcome all the stakeholders, including salt industry representatives participating in this web meet. Thank you all for the patience hearing. Thanks a lot once again.